familiar sight. Your Ecovacs Deebot T8, halfway through a valiant cleaning mission, suddenly throws in the towel. It stopped dead in its tracks, refusing to return to its charging base. Sound familiar? This frustrating issue where your Deebot T8 fails to return to its charging dock is a common complaint among owners. And often, the culprit is a worn-out or faulty battery. Over time, the battery's capacity degrades, leaving it unable to provide enough power to complete its cleaning cycle and make it back to its charging station. Ignoring this issue can lead to further problems. The battery could drain completely, potentially damaging internal components and ultimately shortening your Deebot's lifespan. Plus, a constantly interrupted cleaning cycle isn't exactly efficient, is it? Now, if you're asking about the solution to this problem, we can tell you straight away that what is needed is a battery replacement. Sure, you could try replacing the battery, but before you grab your trusty screwdriver, let's have a reality check. Changing a battery isn't as simple as it looks on those handy-dandy video tutorials. You're dealing with tiny screws, delicate mechanisms, and the potential for irreversible damage. One wrong move, and you're in for a big problem. And finally, the problem might not actually be the battery. It could be a secondary issue stemming from a faulty sensor or malfunctioning motherboard. Incorrect diagnosis can waste your time and money. Trying to fix it yourself could lead to more problems than you bargained for. So, you've decided to leave the tricky repairs to the professionals? Smart move. Now, how do you get your Ecovacs Deebot T8 back to its cleaning glory? RoboCare makes it incredibly easy. Our skilled technicians diagnose the problem, replace the faulty battery with a genuine Ecovacs part, and ensure your Deebot T8 is back to its peak performance. We offer easy, convenient, robot vacuum repairs for all models, including your Deebot T8. Whether you visit our service center or use our reliable courier service, we've got you covered. Watch it go. Wow. See the difference? After a quick and expert repair by RoboCare, your Deebot T8 is back to its efficient, reliable self, tackling even the toughest messes with ease. Afterward, we returned the robot to the customer, and they said it worked like new again, so they were happy. Get your Ecovacs Deebot T8 back to peak performance. Contact RoboCare today. Visit our service center in Kota Damansara or use our courier service for a hassle-free repair.